Josie and Rob are taking their lunch break and basking in what has been a cyber attack-free week. Fancy that. I wonder if that scoundrel Cyberto has turned over a new leaf. Regardless, Rob must be thrilled to be rid of him.
Coffee. You around?
Yeah, sure thing.
Cheers, Juice.
While Josie heroically hunts caffeine, Rob receives an email. It claims that he must re-authenticate his MFA by scanning a QR code or risk getting locked out. Suspicious. However, with our confidence in Brad's fancy email filters, what could possibly go wrong? So, Rob grabs his phone and scans the QR code.
Gotta log in again? Fine.
Meanwhile, an impatient Josie, ever the opportunist, spots a flashy sign offering a juicy in-store discount.
Don't mind if I do.
And just like that, Josie's phone downloads a mysterious app, promising the supposed discount. With no hesitation, she taps OK on permissions she doesn't even read. As you do.
Next.
There's something not quite right about this. Good grief! It's you!
Shh.
Their app is total rubbish. But hey, who cares? Here's your coffee!
Sublime. Thank you, dearest Josie. Shall we return now to the office to resume with our working operations?
Sure.
Don't forget to send me those invoices now.
Oh, that's a problem. And sent.
Thanks, Josie.
Yes. Thanks, Josie. Oh, I've still got it. That delightfully devilish malware from my QR code will be very financially beneficial to me. And thank you, Rob. Your unreliable security is always so reliable. Yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is.
Oh dear. Well, my time to shine. So, it appears that Rob and Josie have fallen for a Quishing scam.
Quishing? Really? It just sounds...
Anyway, it's pretty much phishing via quick response code, aka QR code, and it's totally devious. For you see, any old phishing email can be scanned for a dodgy link, and therefore will struggle to get through an email's security gateway. But on the other hand, due to the gateway's inability to detect QR codes, they often bypass these filters. And that's how Rob got tricked into handing over his login details. Scanning QR codes will often mean using your phone, which are typically less secure than laptops, making them prime targets for malware. And so that's how Josie was eavesdropped on by Cyberto, who stole her files. Not to worry though, your friendly neighbourhood IT support man is here with 4 quick tips to help you stay QR code safe. Keep your phone's software up to date. Apps, security, the lot. If a QR code prompts you to download something, back out and use your official app store instead. Scan the code, check the URL, and if it looks dodgy, ditch it. And finally, if a random QR code pops into your inbox, Verify it before you scan, or risk a surprise you won't like. Oh, Rob, I'd like to see you in my office.
Not again.